and you know that. Thursday and Fridays are good days for me.
Hello, everyone. Jasmine again. I'm going to put a face mask on her face and show you all the importance of face masking your face. Chris, can you come stand here as well? Come on, Chris. Come on. Okay, next scene. Chris is coming in. I promise. Okay, Chris, you coming this time?
No.
No?
Really
Okay, all right. So we're going with the aloe papaya face mask. All right, are you ready?
Ready.
All right.
What's this?
What's in it? Okay, so what's in it is bentonite clay, Fuller's Earth clay, aloe powder, aloe powder, papain powder, Rossel clay, and activated, you want to see it? And activated charcoal. All right. I did not wash my hands.
It's not cold either, thank God.
All right, so we talked earlier about, well, not earlier, we talked a couple of days if you all been paying attention to this YouTube channel, the importance of bentonite clay and then detoxifying your skin and your face and getting all the yuck out of it. So what we've been saying for the most part is how pollutants in the air, natural pollutants from walking around, people's bad breath and all that stuff, will clog your pores, cause a lot of damage, cause a lot of skin issues, break you out a little bit. So you need something that has detoxifying ingredients, detoxifying properties, in order to get rid of all that yuckiness that people are bringing into your life.
Yes, get it out.
Yes.
Get it out.
Yes, get it out. Hey, Chris, you want to come help?
No.
Right. Chris is not trying to show you all any love. She doesn't like you all that much today.
No.
No?
Nah.
Want to say something nice to the folks, Chris?
You guys are beautiful.
Oh, so sweet.
Oh, she's such a sweetheart. All right. Now you look like you have like a warrior face mask on. Like from,
Wakanda.
Oh, okay, all right, that works. Okay. Copyright infringement not happening here, okay,
Oh,
guys?
sorry, guys.
Yeah, sorry about that. No?
Uh-huh.
All right, T'Challa, leave us alone, bro. You got enough. Do. So, Jazz, how does this feel in your face?
It's smooth.
Ooh, smooth.
And creamy.
And creamy, all right. Ooh, all right.
You know, like some face masks, like when you buy from the store, when you put them on, sometimes they could burn on your skin just from the chemicals being a little too harsh. So it's not that thing here.
You're going to talk about your chemistry background?
No,
No? Okay.
I
She does
like-
chemistry stuff.
I don't.
You don't?
I studied chemistry for 3 years. I have a minor in chemistry, but only like
So you
lab.
don't do chemistry stuff?
Not really.
That's a lot of chemistry stuff. Okay, fine, that's fine. Alrighty then. So when you're using a Netter Gold face mask, it comes in a powder form. You can add either water or activated charcoal to it. And then once you mix it up nice, you get a nice paste consistency, it'll dry up. A couple of us asked, Mike, how come you don't already have it mixed up? And I just throw it on my face. And I was like, do you want me to charge you for water? Because I can if you want. And then they say, never mind, you got it, bro. And that's the end of that conversation right there.
You got it, bro.
Now, if you all want to get it pre-mixed, I can make you a pre-mix. I have no problem with that. I got no problem. Hopefully I'm recording. Is this recording? Yeah, it's recording. It'd be embarrassing if it wasn't. I have to under your whole face.
Oh, man.
Alrighty. Do. Alright, gotta get your mustache. There we go. Get with the Charlie Chapman.
See, I knew I had one. I thought about it.
You don't have a mustache. There's no mustache there.
There is one on the shadow.
No, it's not.
It's not as thick as yours.
I mean, you're not using the right Netter Gold products
This is why I'm here today.
to grow a mustache. All right. Let me get the other bottle. Hey, Chris, you want to come up now?
No, I'm gonna sit back here. Observe.
Okay. Can you see anything like that, Chris?
Yeah, I see all of it.
Okay. What eye does she have closed?
That's too personal. I'm not gonna get into it. Yeah.
Okay, so now you just have to allow it to dry and whatnot. So we're going to get to that process.
Brush yourself.
I didn't brush this morning.
I can tell.
That's rude. It's been aggressive. Okay. Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
Dude, blow your funky breath in my face.
Okay. Well, let's dry. We'll be back in a second. You want to do the clap? You want me to do the clap?
I do.
Okay. All right. So I'm putting a towel on her face. It's a little warm towel. Is it too hot?
No.
Okay. There's a pube right here. Let me get that off for you. There you go. Oh, still there. Face still there. All right. So you gotta rub it off.
Should I?
Yeah, you do that.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna warm up another one.
How clean is this thing? I see.
It's super clean. It came out the washing machine last week.
It's not wet enough. It's too dry.
Actually, no, you should just go wash it off in the sink. So I'm gonna talk to you all about this angle, right? Talk to you all again about the benefits of detoxifying your skin and whatnot. You know, it's important to make sure while you're using natural products that you take care of yourself. Eat right, drink a lot of water. You know, if you haven't joined the 15-day Dirty Water Hydration Challenge, shame on you. You know, toxins are what cause a lot of issues with your skin, your body. You want to get rid of those things. You want to just remove them from your overall being. So I think it's important for you all to detox as much as possible. But also, it's also important to live a tox-free kind of life as much as possible, of course. So you can't control a lot of the outside factors like smog and pollution and stuff like that, but you can work on what you intake and what you use on your body. So if you're not, you know, eating a lot of vegetables, that could definitely be a reason why you're having acne issues or skin issues. So I definitely recommend partaking in a lot of vegetables, a lot of, you know, green stuff, some fruit. One of my favorite snacks is sweet peppers. I just eat sweet peppers. It's delicious. And as you all can see, I'm beautiful. So I think it's just really good for you all to, you know, just do that. Let me check on my patient. Hey, you almost done?
Almost.
All right, she's almost done. Yeah. So, hey, Chris, you want to say anything to people?
Hi, people.
Yeah. Chris is super pregnant. Super pregnant. Look what I can do.
Let's do it.
All right. Busy. Ugh. I have to cross dissolve that one. Ouch. Ta-da! So, how did your face feel?
It feels tingly.
Tingly. All right. Good job.
And
So-
refreshed.
Face has been detoxed, and of course you want to top it off with a nice oil or something like that. We don't have one here. I was not prepared for this. So just imagine it as an oil. Imagine it. There you go. And that's how you use a face mask. That's how you properly use a medical face mask or any face mask in general, and the importance of the face mask. Any questions, people? Leave it in the comments below. Any questions, Jazz?
No.
No? Any
Yeah.
questions, Chris?
No.
No.
No? Okay. I hope you all like this video, and yeah.
Yeah, I got one question.
What you got?
What's a hypotenuse?
It's a triangle, right?
It's the sum of a square of a sum of a triangle.
There we go. Okay,
I'm
those are all
kind
my
of smart.
questions.
Yeah.
You just made me look really stupid on camera. Wow. Wow. Thanks. Wow. Wow.
Yay.